student, welcome to all of you. This is the second video of the first chapter of grammar and the topic is noun. So in this video we will cover all the exercises that is given in this book and the countable noun, uncountable nouns like that. Okay, so let's start it. So the exercise is given number E. Change the plural nouns into their singular forms and rewrite the sentences. Means आपको क्या करना है, आपको दिए गए सेंटेंस में प्लूरल नाउन को चेंज करना है singular noun में, and after that have to rewrite the sentence like this. The noun the geese are in the yard. So geese is the goose, plural form of goose. The singular of geese is goose. So a goose is in the yard. A convocation of eagles was flying in the sky. Convocation of eagle is the collective noun, so it is a plural form. We have to change it in the singular number. So singular of this is an eagle. An eagle was flying in the sky. The fish in the pond was looking lovely. Fish both in singular and plural is the fish. That's why a fish in the pond was, not were, was looking lovely. Some families have been living in Nicobar Islands for hundreds of years. Some families in the plural form. Now we have to convert it in the singular form, so there will be a family. A family has been living in Nicobar Island for hundreds of years. Do the activities in your notebooks, not activities. Here will be activities. So do the activity in your notebook. Next is choose the word with the correct spelling to complete each sentence. There are is the plural verb. So here will be church, CHURCHES. There are many churches in Goa. Next is she found a berry in her pocket. The calves are grazing in the fields, not calves, it will be calves. Tarun had a cheese sandwich for breakfast. I bought 3 loaves of bread from the market. Now next is the countable noun and uncountable nouns. So student, in the world everything is in the countable noun and uncountable noun. When we talk about the countable noun, तो which can be counted या जिसको हम गिन सकते हैं, it came in the category of countable noun. In the other hand, which cannot be counted, it is in the form of uncountable nouns, as like money, pencil, copies, books, etc. are the countable noun because we can count them, while oil, water, butter, milk, etc. cannot be counted. So these are the uncountable nouns. Okay, and one thing I will mention here, that if the noun is subject is in the countable noun uncountable noun, if the subject is noun is in the uncountable noun, the verb will be also in the singular form. As you can see in the example, there is no oil in the container. Is in the form of verb. Why is written here with oil? Because oil is the uncountable noun. In the next example, the water in the pond is very deep. Is a singular verb and water is the uncountable noun. So always keep in mind that when the noun is uncountable, the verb also will be added in the singular noun, singular subject verb. Now student, this is exercise number 2. Say whether the nouns are countable or uncountable. Clay is a kind of soil. So soil is uncountable, you cannot count them, so it is uncountable. Second is the politicians means rajnitiki, they are human, so you can count them, so this is countable noun. Third is butter is uncountable, so this is the uncountable noun. Fourth, water is also uncounted, so this is uncountable noun. Bottles can be counted, so it is countable noun. Milk is uncountable noun. Class is countable nouns, while money is countable nouns. So student, you all have to fill this in your books also, as I have filled in this chapter. Next is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Now what you have to do, you have to choose the correct one and fill it in the blank form. She had long hairs when she was younger. There are many heavy industries in this area. Be careful, there is a glass of on the floor. Can you come back later? I need some times to finish these letters. Did you buy a newspaper this morning? Now next is, in the following groups of nouns, tick the word which does not belong to the group. So here is, you have to tick the verb या sentence या subject which is not the which is not matching to the other words in the group. So here is a rain, wood, floor, lifts. Rain, floor, lifts is uncountable while wood is countable. So wood will be tick. Next, truth, darkness, books, humor. So truth, darkness, books, humor are the given in the second line, but books is different of all because truth, darkness and humor in the form of concrete noun. Next is wall, water, knives, scarves. Here water is separate from alls. Next is mice, feet, main, juice. Juice is separate from all. Next is cotton, birds, bananas, lamb. So bird, bananas, lamb are the grouped while cotton is separate from all. Next is gender. Gender. A gender is any of the four classes into which nouns are categorized. Depending on their sexes, the four classes of gender are masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. So all the nouns that are exist, it has been classes into four category. First is the masculine, second is feminine, third common and the last is the neuter gender. So a noun that denotes a male is said to be the masculine gender, as like brother, groom, father, duke, hero, horse, lion, bull, tiger, duck, etc. While noun that denotes a female is said to be the feminine gender, as like bride, mother, duchess, heroine, mayor, lioness, cow, tigress, duck, etc. A noun that denotes either a male या a female is said to be the common noun. So the common noun where male and female are grouped together, as like baby, baby can be male or female. Guest, the guest is male or female, can be both. Cattle's cousin, dear, owner, parents, relative, ship, teacher, etc. Because it can be either male or female, so they are the group of. Next is a noun that denotes neither a male nor a female is said to be the neuter gender. That's like radio. All the lifeless thing is the neuter gender. Radio, books, pencil, chair, bags, carry bags, etc. College, bucket, class, fan, etc. All the neuter gender. All the neuter gender. So here is given pair each noun given in the box with its masculine, feminine counterpart and write them down in the space provided. One is done for you. So here what you have to do, you have to pick out the male and female, masculine and feminine gender, and you have to write in the column, as like buck, the feminine is the doe, husband masculine while wife is the feminine, uncle masculine, aunt feminine, wizard, wizard means magician. The feminine gender of this is witch, which is lady wizard, जादूगरनी. Lad, बालक, lass, बालिका. Nephew, भतीजा, niece, भतीजी. Benefactor, benefactress, gentleman, lady, bullock, cow, bachelor, spinster. Abbot, abbess, earl, countess, stag, hen, stallion, mare. So student, the exercise B number, do as I directed, tick the right answer. So what you have to do, you have to tick the right answer. Which of the words given below is the feminine gender of the bridegroom? So what is the feminine gender of bridegroom? Of course it will be the bride. So she is the right. Which of the following pair has been spelled inconsistently? यानी कौन सा पेयर सही तरीके से अरेंज नहीं है? जेंटलमैन, लेडीज, master, mistress, duke, duchess. So gentleman, while ladies is in the gentleman is the in the singular form, while ladies is in the plural form. So this is not arranged in the inconsistent. It is in the form of inconsistent. So A will be ticked. Look up the word usher and find its a female gender with the help of dictionary. Next is which pair of words best fits in the sentence given below? Sultan, sultana, murderer, murderesses, millionaire and millionaires. So student, here is given a sentence where you have to keep the right words. Mr. and Mrs. Rastogi on a lottery ticket of 1 million rupees and became. So what is the right pair? The right pair is number C. So C will be ticked as I have done. You also fill this in your book. Next is solve the given puzzle with the opposite gender of the underlined words. In the clues, you may also take help from the words given in the box. So student, it is also a kind of puzzle as you have done in the previous previous pages. So here what you have to do? You have to do the opposite words as like the witches was cunning. So what is the opposite of witch? It will be wizard. Let's see. Number 3, where is? Yes. This is the wizard. W-I-Z-A-R-D. Witches means jadugarni, while wizard means jadugar. Next is the duke fought bravely. Duke, king in a foreign countries. Generally in the British, the king is called duke. The duke fought bravely. Duchess. Fourth, duchess. Duke, the feminine gender of duke is duchess. D-U-C-H-E-S-S. Duchess. The angry bull hit the man in the red shirt. Bull. The feminine gender of bull is cow. So number 7 here is C-O-W, cow. 8. My nephew gifted me a watch. The feminine gender of nephew is Nishi. So number 8, Nishi, N-I-E-C-E. 10th, the fox caught in the deer. So the feminine gender of fox is Vexin, V-I-X-A-N, Vexin. Next is the hen picked grains. So the feminine gender of hen is number 1. It is the roaster. You know generally what happen? Cock is the masculine gender of hen, but roaster is also the another name of cock. So here is the roaster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. The monk means क्या होता? मठाधीश. Generally the owner of the temples या cottage. So what is the feminine gender of monk is nun. N-U and nun. As you can see here, N-U and nun. Next is my mare has a white star on the forehead. Mare means ghodi. 5th. So here will be stallion. Stallion also a kind of horse. S-T-A-L-L-I-O-N. This is a species of horse. So the here, because the clues also given in the stallion. S-T-A-L-L-I-O-N. Because we have to only fill the clues that is given in the yellow box. That's why here will be stallion. The black buck was shot by the hunter. Buck. So student, I have forget here to write. You all have to fill doe. D-O-E. What you will find? You will fill. You have to fill here D-O-E. Sorry, I have forgotten to fill here. But the right answer is doe. Number 6 will be the word that you have to fill is doe. D-O-E. Doe. 10th, the ram lost its way. So here is the ram. Vexen. V-I-X-E-N. Okay, student. So student, number D, exercise. What you have to do? Change the gender and rewrite the following sentence. My mother asked my father if he could pick up my grandmother from the airport. So you have to change the gender as like my mother will be converted into my father. So my father asked my mother. Means you have to change the gender. Mother into father, father into mother, as like that. As you can see, my mother asked my father if he could pick up my grandmother from the airport. So the sentence will be go now. My father asked my mother if she could pick up my grandfather from the airport. Okay, I will revise again. My father asked my mother if she could pick up my grandfather from the airport. Next is the master bought a new pair of shoes for the manservant. So master will be transferred in madam. The madam bought a new pair of shoes for the maidservant. main servant will be convert into the maid servant. Next is the furious vixen chased the cow. So the furious fox chased the block. Student number E, exercise number E, you have to do it yourself because what you have to do, using the given color code, color the appropriate box into indicate the correct gender. So you all have to do it yourself. What you have to do, if the word is feminine, then you have to color that box to the brown color as it is given in the color code. As you can see here, feminine gender, if the word in the form of feminine gender, then you have to color that box by the brown color. If the word in the masculine gender, then you have to color that box by the green color. And if the word is the neutral gender, then you have to color that box, that word by the yellow color. And if the word in the form of common gender, then you have to color that box by the blue color. As you can see the color code, I am going to repeat it again. What you have to do in this, you have to do it yourself. You only have to color the word by choosing that what they are. As like if the word is, as like here Duchess is in the feminine gender, so you have to color it by the brown color, because brown color will be colored by the feminine gender will be colored by the brown color. Orphan is a common gender, so it will be colored by the blue color because it is a common gender. Teacher is also the common gender. You have to color it by the blue color. Wizard is the masculine gender, so you have to color it by the green color. Thorn is the neutral gender, so you have to color it by the yellow. So student, now what is the next is the function of noun. Means what is the function of noun? First is the subject. Subject is the person या thing that perform the action of a verb. So subject क्या होता है? It is also the part of a sentence. As like my mother cooks food every day. So the my mother is the subject in the sentence. Next is the direct object. The action of the verb is transferred to the direct object by the subject. Yes, when the verb is transferred by the direct object by the subject. Next is indirect object. Indirect object is the recipient of the direct object. It can be found by locating the direct object and then ask who or what received. For example, my grandmother gave my brother a chocolate. Here the direct object is chocolate. You know what, whom, it is indirect, while the chocolate, other word is the indirect. So student, now the exercise number 4, match the sentence in the column A with the function of noun in the column B. So what you have to do, you have to match it. As like the teachers considered Raju very bright, you have to match it by the G, object complement. Next, my father goes for a walk every day. Here is object of preposition. Next is Kalpana, please close the door. Here is a direct address. Next is my sister is playing with a doll. It is a direct object. My sister, who is a teacher, drive a blue car. It is a oppositive. Aryan gave the dog a bone. It is a indirect object. So the teachers considered Raju very bright. The traveler sat under the tree. This line will be matched by the subject. Sorry, I have forgotten this. So you will match this by the F. The traveler sat under the tree. You have to match this line by the F. So student, please fill these lessons in your book and all the exercise revise and repeat, and please fill all the exercises because and learn also, because your test is going to be take place within few days. So you all have to learn this all and repeat and revise all the lessons. Thank you.